All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are live. All right, so this video is for my 5th graders and anyone who needs help with multiplying 2-digit by 1-digit numbers with and without decimals. So before I get into the video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be updated on all my future content. So I'm going to get right into it. So we have a bunch of 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication problems here. The first problem is just whole numbers. The next 3 problems involve decimals. I'm going to do the whole number problem first. I'm going to take you through step by step how to solve these problems. So 77 times 9. First step is we multiply the digits in the ones place. So we're going to multiply 7 times 9. 7 times 9 equals 63. So I'm going to write a 3 in the ones place, and I'm going to carry the 6 over. Whenever we have a product that's 10 or more, we have to regroup. So 63 is more than 10. So the 3 goes in the ones place, the 6 and 63, we're going to carry that over the tens place. So now I'm going to multiply 7 times 9 again, but whatever my answer is, I have to add 6 to it. So 7 times 9, again, same answer, 63. Since I carried over the 6, I have to add that to the answer. So 63 plus 6 is 69. So we have our answer, 77 times 9 equals 693. All right, so now I got to multiply 7.7 times 9. Now the decimals, a lot of times they scare people, they throw people off, but multiplying numbers with decimals is basically the same thing as multiplying digits with whole numbers with one step added. So there's just going to be one small and simple step that I'm going to add to this problem, and that's it. So don't let it scare you. All right, 7.7 times 9. So I'm going to start out multiplying this as if it were a whole number. I'm going to pretend to start out that the decimal point isn't even there. I'm going to multiply 7 times 9. 7 times 9 is 63. 3. Carry the 6. 7 times 9 again is 63. Plus 6 is 69. So I'm going to write that 69 in front of the 3. I have 693. Now, because there is a decimal there, we have an additional step, and I'm going to go into that additional step now. Now, when we are multiplying numbers without decimals, the decimal point's there, it's just invisible. We assume that the decimal point is always behind all of the numbers, but we don't include it in the problem. We don't do anything with it unless the decimal point's in between numbers. We just assume it's behind all the digits, and we don't do anything with it. So, because we have a decimal point in between the 7 and the 7, I simply need to move the decimal point over. I got to move it over one place. So I'm going to move the decimal point from behind the 3 to in front of the 3. Include that in the problem there. And now we have our answer. 7.7 times 9 equals 69.3, or 69 3/10, however you want to say it. All right. Now for this problem, 77.77 times 9, 77 hundredths times 9. Again, I would go about solving it the same exact way. 7 times 9 is 63. You carry the 6 over. I can basically copy down the numbers here. The additional step, however, is that I got to move the decimal point over 2 places. Since the decimal point is in front of both numbers here, I have to move it over 2 places. 1, 2. So now my answer becomes 6 93 hundredths. Now, 77 thousandths times 9. If I wanted to multiply 77 thousandths times 9, what I would do here, I would go about solving it the same way. 7 times 9 is 63. 3 carry the 6. 7 times 9 again is 63, plus 6 is 69. Zero times 9 is 0. So the only difference really is I just need to move the decimal point over one more place. So I got to move it over 3 places now instead of 2. So I just moved the decimal point over one place. 693 became 69.3. I just moved it over 2 places. 69.3 just became 6.93. I'm moving it over 3 places. So now we have our final answer here. 77 thousandths times 9 equals 693 thousandths. Let me write that a little neater so you can see it. So that is my video for today. I'm going to end this video with some basketball. Now, in my very, very last class of the day, after my students finished all their work, we ended the class with a 10-minute basketball game. It was a teachers versus the students game. It was 3-on-1, 3 students versus me, and I lost badly. And I would go up for a shot. If I get fouled, I wouldn't be able to absorb the contact. I think I shot like 1 for 10 that game. I only had 2 points the entire game. And I was always a guy that could basically do whatever he wanted on the basketball court growing up. And people say Father Time is undefeated. People say I'm getting old and over the hill. Though I am getting older, I don't want to get older. I want to put off getting old as quickly as possible. So I'm going to do a quick workout here so I can stay in shape and stay healthy as long as possible. I'm not letting myself get old and over the hill without a fight. So I'm going to get the basketball here. Where is the basketball? Let me take a second to find the basketball. Oh, good. Oh, my goodness. Where has my basketball gone? My basketball has disappeared on me. I know it's here somewhere. I know it's here somewhere. There it is. Found it, finally. All right. So just a quick, efficient workout here. I'm going to throw the ball off the back wall. I'm going to go for 1 minute, and my goal is to get as many dunks as possible in a minute. But I want to get a minimum of 20 dunks. Usually I get, let me make it a reasonable goal, 15 dunks. Usually I get 11 or 12 dunks in a minute. I want to get at least 15 dunks in a minute. 15 is the minimum goal, 20 is the top goal. All right? So when that clock hits the 9-minute mark, like it just has, all right, as many dunks as I can in a minute. Ready? And go. I am behind on time, but here we go. 1, 2. Lost the ball, hand on the ball. 3, 4, 5. I gotta pick up the pace. I'm not giving up. 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh no. Oh no. 10. No, I didn't make it. 11. I'm still getting my 15 dunks in. I'm still getting my 15 dunks. 12. 13. 14. 15. So I got 15 dunks in, but it wasn't in a minute. It was in 1 minute and 24 seconds. So I didn't make the time. But I'm gonna work at that. I may end my math videos, my reading videos with that workout. Try to get some cardio and get some of my stamina back, because I got beat 12-2 today, and I'm old, but I can't be holding over the hill, not yet. I got a healthy body, healthy mind. I gotta stay in shape. All right. Again, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know if you have any questions on the math that I reviewed today. And if there's an area of math that you're struggling or having difficulty with, or an area of reading language arts that you're having difficulty with, write an example of the reading skill or math skill in the comments, and I will do a future video on whatever skill that you listed. All right. Have a great rest of the day. Happy Thursday, everybody. And I will see you all either tomorrow or later today if I go live again. Have a great rest of the day.